Hello everybody, this video tutorial I am recording on Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite, MIUI version 13. So first let's tap on Play Store. To open, tap right profile circle and then tap on Settings. Over here tap on Network Preferences and tap on Auto Update Apps. Over here you can select between update all apps over Wi-Fi mobile data if you want all applications to be updated over wireless network and mobile internet. Just beware, over mobile internet there is cost, so be sure you have both internet data so you do not get big bill later. Next is update with limited amount of mobile data. You can tap on it if you want all applications automatically be updated over Wi-Fi, but on mobile data updated only most crucial applications. Next is update over Wi-Fi only, which is my preference. Over mobile data it won't update at all, but it will update only on wireless network. If you tap on Don't Auto-Update Apps, it will only be updated if you manually update them. In my case, I will leave it on Update over Wi-Fi only. Just tap on desired selection. And now I will tap back twice, go to Circle Profile and tap on Manage Apps and Devices. Tap on Updates Available. And here are applications, apps that are available for the update. On my phone, it does not update right after some application gets updated, but after a while, it updates automatically. And if I tap on Update All, it automatically asks me if I want for this application to be updated or to skip it. I will tap Skip it. I have my reasons why. And these applications are updating. I will tap Cancel All because I need to record another language of this tutorial. So, thank you for watching and see you next time.